Hi, this is Dr.V.Pavithra, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics, K.C.S. Nadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to learn about the topic Functions of Management. So, functions of management is planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and leadership. So, planning is the primary function of the management. It is process of determining organization objectives and deciding on activities to achieve them. Planning helps the firm to deal with certainty and confidently face the future problems. Next, organizing. It involves the determining activities done to be in order to achieve the goals of the company. The related activities have to be grouped together. The activities then are assigned to suitable people and their role or responsibility is communicated with them. The creating organizing structure, allocating resources, assigning roles and responsibilities. Next, staffing. Staffing, hiring the right people is the main activities of the staffing. Then the training and development to the staffing for the organization development, and the performance appraisal is the main activity in the organization structure. Next, directing. Directing is nothing but it is a leading. It involves the communicating, motivating and supervising the employees. The objective is to employees the perform their duties in an efficient and effective manner. Leading improves the issuing instructions and guiding subordinates. And then communicating should be open without any barriers to free flow of the information. The motivation is essential to ensure excellence in the organization. Next, controlling. The controlling is the function of the consisting activities in the organization. It undertakes to that ensure the performance in accordance to the plans. It is one of the process of assuring the planned performance in actually achieved. It involves setting standards, measuring actual performance, comparisons of performance with standard, identifying deviation and taking corrective action, etc. Thank you.